with the Blazer. Still shooting Blazer ammo. 6.6" in plates using the Glock 44. Down. All right, 6 for 6. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Okay, I'm in screen now. Still shooting the Blazers 22s out of the Glock 44. I'll tell you what, it seems like the more and more you shoot this gun, the more reliable it becomes. Man, I'll tell you, the last 4 or 5, maybe 600 rounds. Now watch, I'm going to jinx myself. I haven't had a malfunction or anything, so we're just going to check it out. It just keeps running better and better. Here we go. Well, that was me missing, but it shoots. We're using a CCI 22 Tactical out of Glock 44 at those 6" round plates down there. We're going to see if he'll take them down. Here we go. All right, 6 for 6, that's what I'm talking about. Mixture of CCIs and Blazers in here. Still using the Glock. Let's see if we can knock them down with the 22. Ah, got it. All right. I'm gonna mix up with some more and see if we could do it. Let's see if we can take them down again. I got a mixture of 22s, CCI, AR-22 bullets, and Blazers. Let's see if we can knock them down. 6" plates. Here we go. All right, got one. Oh, there we go. Got it. All right, there's one over there. Unloaded it. Okay. And like always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the little bell on there so you get notified when a new video comes out. And leave a comment if you like. Thanks again.